Before starting, let's first match the process. Adjust a set of parameters suitable for your own working speed. Because you are doing non-filler welding without filler wire, everyone's hand speed is different. So the power level is also different. Adjust it to the position of the focal point. Once the red light is properly aligned, you can start working. We proceed with continuous welding. First, secure the workpiece on the workbench with clamps. Then, tack weld the product first. Then, perform a fillet weld. Perform a 45-degree angle fillet weld. Weld uniformly at a constant speed.